Hello friends. In this particular video, we will be learning about compound assignment operators. As you already know about the assignment operator, so this equal is not exactly equal meaning here in C. It is meaning assignment. So if I say a like this, assignment operator 5 means 5 is assigned to A. So in programming language, there are other assignment operators also which are called as compound assignment operators. So, so if I write plus equal, so this is called as this is basically meaning what? This means so if I write a is equal to a plus equal to 5. So the meaning of this is a is equal to a plus 5, assigning 5 increased a to a itself. So likewise, there is minus equal. So this means this if I write a assigned a minus 5. So this is basically a assigned a minus 5. So this is star equal, that is multiplication. So if I write this, so this means assigned 5 times a to a itself. So if I say this, sorry, if I say division equal, so if I say a divided by a divided assigned 5, so this means a is assigned a divided by 5 and so on. So these are called as compound assignment operators. So let us write a program to understand how they are working. So let us define a variable a, integer type, and let us first say a plus is equal to a, sorry 5, let's say. Then print the value of a now. A is equal to percentage d comma a, and then return 0 and run it. So now you can see, so previously a was having a value of 5. Sorry, it was not having any value. So let me provide the value to a. So let's say a is equal to 1. Okay, so now I am adding 5 to this a, so it will become 6. Okay, in this way this will. So this plus equal to means if I write this expression as a plus 5, so same thing will happen. So instead of writing like this, you can write it in compound assignment. So a is equal to a plus 5, a plus equal to 5. So in this way, same way I can write minus. So it will become a is equal to a minus 5. That means 1 minus 5. That means minus 4. So it will come as minus 4. Okay. So I can write into times. So a is equal to a times 5. So a is 1. So 1 times 5 will be 1 only. Like this. And if I write division, so now as you know, a is integer and having a value 1. So 1 by 5 will be 0.2. So that 0.2 will be truncated and you will simply be getting 0 here. So that's, so in this way you can use your compound assignment operators in C. Thank you very much for watching the video. Take care.